Why is the sound weird inside Premiere Pro when I speed up a clip? So if I go, let's say there, Ctrl K to split it, Ctrl K to split it again, Ctrl R to modify the speed, let's say 200%, close it with OK, and now this portion will sound a bit interesting and unwantedly ugly. To edit, and don't you it's a sound like that one. Edit, and don't you so let's get rid of that one by clicking on that clip which is sped up, Ctrl R to open this clip speed duration, and just check this one, maintain audio pitch, and now it's not that weird. Edit, and don't edit, and okay, and if you remove the audio pitch maintaining, then edit, and it's more weird. Edit, and so open this one, check maintain audio pitch, and okay. Edit, and don't you